How can you use your saved audios on Instagram post? Hello everyone and welcome to the channel once again. Today I'll be showing you some simple steps via which you can use the saved audios on your Instagram, then use it on your Instagram post. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Open up your Instagram application, then go to any random reel that contains the audio that you want to use. On the bottom right, you'll be able to see the option for the music. Simply click on it and then you'll be able to see the audio. Simply click on the bookmark icon on the top right corner, and after that your audio will be saved to your Instagram. If you go to your profile and go to the three horizontal lines and open your saved videos, on the audio section you'll be able to see the audio that you just saved. Now simply click on the audio and then you'll be able to see there's an option there called use audio. Simply tap on it and then you'll be able to apply it to either reels or you can use your templates. After that, you can add in your videos from gallery or you can shoot your own video. After pressing next, you'll be able to also edit it and then you can download it as well. After pressing next again, you'll be redirected to this page where you can add the tag people, the audience, the profile display, location, etc. You can press share and then your reel will be uploaded with the desired audio. And there you go. That is how you can use saved audios on your Instagram post. If you'd like to see more content like this, please consider subscribing to the channel.